January 1st, 2020. Good morning, everyone, and Happy New Year! I am here at Hershey Park. I appear to be the only one here at Hershey Park.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in.
Coming to you live here from Magic Kingdom, Six Flags Great Adventure, Dorney Park.
Hold tight.
Look at this monstrosity.
Not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Good.
Because of you, dripping lights paint the skies.
My heart is beating so fast right now.
That was a lot.
Oh man, tall people will get sprayed in the face!
As you may or may not know, I am not a huge fan of water rides. Any ride where I stand half a chance of getting wet is not my favorite thing.
Oh no! No! My eye!
And now for a completely objective, unbiased review of my absolute favorite place in the world ever. One among us here has never ridden a hypercoaster before, and one among us is about to for the very first time. Ready to rock?
Not at all.
Oh, you just barely didn't make it. She just pulled the unavailable sign down. You ready?
He's not ready.
Dripping lights.
Woo! Tonight we're doing something a little bit different. This local haunt in Aberdeen, Legends of the Fog, has offered Maryland's very first drive-through haunt.
That was a person! Are you my mummy?
The most Halloweeniest Halloween at Hershey Park ever. Ho, ho, ho. You know the expression, like a kid at Christmas? That was written about my wife. The Christmas cars! It's gonna be a fun day, guys. Merry Christmas. From Tim and Katie, remember, every day is a new adventure, and we'll see you guys in 2021. Woohoo!